In this video, I want to show you how to fix your JBL Vibe Beam 2 in case they're not working properly. Could be because many different reasons, so let's get started. So the first thing you need to do once you encounter a problem is to try to update them. There's updates available often from JBL. Not many people know this. So how do you do? Well, make sure that they're connected to a phone. Take them out. These are already paired with my iPhone. You need to download the JBL headphones app. So even if you have an Android, this app is available. Simply download it in the Play Store or the App Store. Open the app, and right over here you're going to see software update available and the version. As you see, this will improve the stability and performance. So if you had issues with them, there's a good chance this update will fix it. So simply tap update and here we go. They will be updated and maybe the problem will go away. If you're still having issues with your headphones, even after doing the update, there is another thing you can try is to factory reset them. What I like is that JBL in the box included the instructions on how to do it. So let's do it together. First thing, you need to remove them from your phone. So I'll go into the Bluetooth settings of my iPhone, same thing on Android. I'll find the JBL Vibe Beam 2. I'll simply tap on the eye icon and then tap on forget device, forget. You want to completely remove them from your device. Then you're going to take either the left or the right one, it doesn't matter. Let me take this one. And just like it says over here, you need to double tap and then keep press, hold during 5 seconds. So double tap and then keep press 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. After 5 seconds, release. And now they are factory resetted. Put them back in the case. Okay, close the case. And now pair them again with your device. So take them out. Make sure that they're blinking blue. Because they're factory reset, they should be blinking blue. This means they're in pairing mode. Take your phone and simply go ahead, go back into the Bluetooth settings, tap on JBL Vibe Beam 2. They're over here, they're back connected, and hopefully this will fix your issue. Thanks for watching. If you have any other solutions, leave it in the comments down below. I'm sure somebody that is frustrating right now and didn't solve the problem will be very glad to see your solution. So type it, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.